Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve these gangsta cornrows, is what I'm going to call them, on my hair by myself, come on and tune in. I hope you enjoy. Alright, YouTube friends, we're just going to get right into it. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe, and I'm showing you all of the products that I use, and I slowed down on that one so you can take heed. If you have never used it before and you're natural and you suffer from any scalp issues, go ahead and research to use some Sulfur 8. I love it in my hair, and I appreciate all of the new subscribers that I have gained, and that was a piece of cheese. A piece of cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese at that. Only one person, only one culprit. She's 3, and you may see her running around on this video somewhere. But I decided to do this style in my hair because I don't know if you all have heard me say this, but I'm trying to get my hair a break from the crochets. That's what I typically have been wearing to get my hair just to grow back after I did cut quite a bit of it due to the blonde color I had. I did chop off a lot, and then I dyed it, of course, magenta, and I'm kind of letting that grow out to go back to my natural number 4 hair, which is a sandy red. So I'm doing these feed-in cornrows. It is not easy to do these at all. I'm not even gonna lie. But I have been practicing because I do want to master this craft on myself. I have yet to do it per my opinion, but they're decent. I got a lot of compliments on it. And I did pre-part my hair just to try to save time because this is the part that takes the longest out of your life. It's parting. I did this earlier in the day because I knew I wanted to do my hair at one point. So I was walking around looking like this for some time until I decided to braid my hair. And what I still have not perfected is how to actually put the hair underneath the braid when you feed it in. I still add it to the top, and in my opinion, that still creates a little bit of a bump, even though it was not very noticeable to the naked eye. But if you zoom in and look really close, you can see it. It's all right, but I want to get better at it. I'm not going to ramble on too much. I'm just going to let you watch. I will kind of slow down a little bit when I add one of these braids on. Which one, I'm not quite sure, but I want to go ahead and tell you that I did end up doing my first braid over because, as you see, it was looking kind of crazy and it did not match the density and the width of the one I'm working on now. So you're going to see me take that one down and do it over because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to certain things. And I just wanted to look right because I did wear this style for about a week and a half before I took it out. And the only reason why I took it out is because my hair got fuzzy. You know, I have really soft hair that really likes to suck in every microorganism of moisture that's in the air. It's, I don't know what to even say about my hair, but I just wish my styles will last a lot longer no matter what I put on it, no matter the product. That's one reason why I do not use mousse. I had somebody ask me about that. My hair do not like mousse, so that's why I don't use it. It will definitely make my hair revert and start to curl up. So that's why I really use the Wetline and the Shining Jam. If your hair is very similar to mine, those two products together will definitely set your style to at least get, with a style like this, at least a week before you have to really either rebraid it or take it out and do something else. So I'm going to continue to just braid. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Just hit me up in the comment section and I will definitely respond to you in a timely manner. So I will come back towards the end to get my final thoughts. So please hang around just to see how everything pans out for me. for those that are still here that hung in with me, I do greatly appreciate it, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate the views I'm getting and my new subscribers. It's actually motivating me to keep going. Because YouTube, it could be so discouraging at times when you feel like you're doing all of this work, editing and posting these videos, and nobody is watching or commenting or engaging. And it's just like, whatever, I give up. But I do appreciate that. I'm going to keep going. Just to, because it's a hobby, I'm just going to be honest. But this is the final project, and I'm just checking the back of my head, adding a little bit more product as needed to slick down anything that I saw that was kind of out of place that I might have missed when I was braiding it down. But I give this style for my first attempt at feeding these in this particular way. Or have I did this before? I think it's the first time I've done it. I have to kind of look back and see, but I give it a for the effort, because if you look really closely at it, it can still use quite a bit of work. 7 out of 10. Most likely when I do it again, hopefully, excuse me, it'll be a 10 out of 10. So, and I also forgot to mention that I started this style around 3:30, and I finished doing my happy dance right there around like 5:30 on the dot. And that's the back. That middle part is going a little bit east and west when I just wanted it to be, a straight line. But like I said, I did this by myself with the mirror. So it's kind of hard. So if you have somebody that can part for you, that'd be awesome. But I really appreciate you guys for hanging in. If you have any questions, you know what to do once again. Hit me up, like the video, comment on the video, engage with me, and see what I come up with next. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. I love my makeup, as you can see there. I do have this look posted if you're interested. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Be safe. Bye-bye.